How to use an LLC to reduce taxes. This video contains affiliate links, and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned at no extra cost to you because they're the best in the industry. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. You have probably heard that forming an LLC can help reduce your taxes, but how does that actually work? So, whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or real estate investor, using an LLC the right way can give you access to deductions, write offs, and flexible tax treatment. In this video, I'll break down how to use an LLC to legally reduce your taxes and how Busy makes the setup fast and easy so you can keep more of your money without dealing with complicated tax forms. So click the link in the description to set up your LLC with Busy. It's fast, affordable, and comes with your first year of registered agent service free. So first, I'll tell you how an LLC can help. So here's the key advantage of an LLC. That is flexibility. By default, an LLC is a pass-through entity, which means your profits pass through to your personal tax return and you avoid double taxation. But you also gain the ability to deduct business expenses, laptops, internet, marketing, software, gas, even your home office. You can also gain an option to select S-Corp status, allowing you to split income into salary and profit, potentially saving thousands on self-employment tax. There is an ability to hire your spouse or children and deduct their wages, and more credibility, which helps open business bank accounts, get loans, and qualify for tax-friendly benefits. So let's look at a few examples. Scenario 1. Let's say there's a freelancer with $80,000 income without an LLC. Entire income is taxed as self-employed. There is no retirement or medical plan deduction. With an LLC or S-Corp election, you can pay yourself a $40,000 salary, distribute $40,000 as dividends, not subject to self-employment tax, and a result is there's thousands saved in payroll taxes. Scenario 2, let's say there's an e-commerce seller. You can deduct Amazon FBA fees, shipping, product photography, and inventory software, rent part of your home as a business expense, and hire a spouse to manage inventory, fully deductible. So if you have not yet registered your LLC, you can do that using Busy. Simply head over, click the link given in the description, select your state. Busy offers you a free registered agent for first year, but however, if you'd like to act as your own registered agent, you'll have an option for that too. And you can also let Busy obtain your EIN. However, if you have that already, then you can ask Busy to not get it for you. So at Busy, Busy helps you maximize tax savings by making sure your LLC is formed in best state. You get an EIN and you get annual report reminders and compliance alerts. So if you're serious about reducing your taxes and protecting your income, click the link in the description to set up your LLC with Busy and start building your business the smart, tax-efficient way. Like, subscribe for more tools, tips, and tax-saving strategies for entrepreneurs. I'll see you in the next video.